Hello guys, welcome to Rehan Net. From this video, I will show you how to make high protein energy balls by your own. So you can save your money which are spending on various protein bars. These homemade energy balls give you a lot of nutrition as well.
Being evil has a price.
First take 200 grams of oats. You can take any kind of oats. I have taken 200 grams of rolled oats here. Get this oats and add to a kind of a large bowl to mix it. Take 100 grams of peanuts and crush it or chop it. Then add it to the mixture. In here, I am adding 100 grams of crushed peanuts to the mixture. Get 4 to 6 dates. Chop the dates to small pieces and add to the bowl. Dates are a good food for fuel your body as energy. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. If you don't like chocolate flavor, you can skip this. Now take 1 minute and mix all the ingredients well. Then add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract after all ingredients mixed well. Then add 200 milliliters of milk to the bowl and mix all until it makes a paste. If you don't like dairy milk, you can use coconut milk, almond milk or any other nut milk, rice milk or even oat milk also. Feel free to use any kind of high protein milk. If you are using whey protein, you can also use whey protein powder to this mixture also. Now I am mixing the paste. Take 2 to 3 minutes and mix well for a good and tasty paste. After mixing well, keep this paste in a refrigerator or in a freeze for 30 minutes. After refrigerate for 30 minutes, you will see the paste is little bit dry for make some balls. After 30 minutes, take the paste out and make 10 to 15 balls and keep on a separate bowl. Then take the balls you made and again refrigerate or freeze for 1 hour's time for the best look and better taste. After freezing well, you will get tasty and nutritious full high protein energy balls like this. This is a good pre or post workout meal because this will give you 12 grams of protein with energetic simple carbs to spike your insulin levels. If you have sweet tooth, you can stop taking sugary snacks and you can replace your snack with this high protein snack. You no need to spend lot of money on protein bars. You can make these high protein balls on your own with many nutritions and on a low budget. Keep this in your mind. Get good foods in good quantity for good health. See you guys on the next video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I am Rehan.